Peoria, Illinois, and a look outside Carver Arena late today with the snow and the winter weather. Indeed, February in the Midwest as we're working our way toward Arch Madness, only 22 days away from that great event starting in St. Louis. And there's been a little tightening up in the middle of the Missouri Valley, and these Bradley Braves and Indiana State Sycamores are right in the thick of it.
Yeah, they're both tied right there in the thick of things to try and get some positioning.
There's Greg Lansing, his 10th season at Indiana State. He is in the Iowa High School Coaches Hall of Fame, the high school basketball, right along with his father Dave, a great coach in Iowa. 162 victories with the Indiana State Sycamores, who are 14-9, 7-5 in the league.
I think this Indiana State team, I think they're very good now. I think they're going to be really good next year.
I see a lot of the things in Laravia that I saw in Krupwig his first year when he played at Loyola. Barnes going low for Trey Williams. And he's open for the right-hand shot.
That is outstanding footwork. That's knowing how to use your body.
Loose ball. There's Brown all the way in. Blocked by Barnes. Jordan Barnes now into the front court. A shot for three. Key.
Great job, Barnes. Key, of course, delivered the three, but it's penetration into the paint, kick, and be ready to shoot the basketball.
And Jordan Barnes.
Great pass to find him.
Cannell was open. High off the glass. The ball goes in. Ravian Williams. Williams from the outside. That's a three. His first field goal tonight.
We're tied. We are tied at 51.
From 10 points down to a tie ball game. Our first tie in the game.